Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I will show you how to exploit source code disclosure vulnerability. This vulnerability will make the hacker able to read the source code of any script by using the file name. As you can see here, this website has some categories, and each category contains some products that contain some information with some picture. If you try to check these images, you will notice that the developer of this website is showing the images using the showimage.php file with the file parameter. Let's test this input and see how it performs after modified the input. Every time I change the file name, the website is showing another image. It seems that these images are coming from the pictures directory. So if we try to make the website showing an image that is not exist, it will show an error. In fact, modern browsers will hide the real errors because you are a normal user. If you tried another web browser like Internet Explorer, you will find the real errors there. Just copy the same link here and press enter. As you can see, the detailed errors are here, and it is telling you that the application couldn't find that file, which is 1.jpg. Let us become smart and try to exploit this behavior. Let's try to show a PHP file and see what happens. Wow, this is magic. We can see the source code of the index.php, which is the main page of this website. An attacker can get sensitive information like database connection details by analyzing the source code. Now let's try to read more files from the web application. Search for PHP files names to read the source code from them. Here we go, categories.php. Let's read its source code. After the equal of the file parameter, type ./categories.php and hit enter. Very good. We can see the full source code of categories.php. But wait, I think that you noticed something important. Database connect.php. The name is sensitive. Let's see what does it contains. Yes, as you can see, this is the real magic. The database connection details are here. The server name, the username, and the password. And this is the script source code disclosure vulnerability. I really hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Please, if you have any question, just message me. Thank you.